On to the headlines.
Fighting plastic pollution, the promise of traceable packaging for a greener future. Farming the future, how data and standards are transforming agribusiness. The tag tells it all, how fake fashion is fooling the market. The timeless game, a walk through Gault's rich history of legends.
Hello and welcome to Traceability TV News, your source for the latest updates on global traceability and safety concerns. I'm your host, Miriam Miyoki. In an often overlooked but critical aspect of medical technology, the journey of medical machines from assembly to operation. Behind every successful surgery, diagnosis, and treatment, there's a silent system ensuring that these devices meet rigorous safety standards before reaching healthcare providers and patients. Our reporter takes us inside this complex and vital process, shedding light on how traceability ensures that medical machines remain reliable and safe throughout their life cycle.
From the moment a medical device is assembled, an intricate system of traceability kicks into action, ensuring its safety, reliability, and compliance with global standards. It's a process that starts long before the device ever reaches a hospital or clinic. Every component, from raw materials to the final assembly, is carefully tracked and documented. Manufacturers adhere to strict regulations to ensure that any defects can be traced back to its source, preventing faulty equipment from ever making it to the hands of the healthcare providers. Once assembled, each device undergoes vigorous testing. Every result is meticulously recorded, creating a digital audit trail that proves compliance with regulatory standards. This transparency isn't just for manufacturers and regulators. It's vital for the doctors and nurses who depend on these machines to deliver life-saving care. But traceability doesn't stop once these devices leave the factory. Even after being shipped and installed, these systems continue to track performance, allowing for real-time monitoring, maintenance, and updates whenever needed. It's a safeguard that ensures medical equipment remain reliable throughout its lifespan, protecting both patients and healthcare professionals. A system built on accountability, transparency, and ultimate trust. With traceability at every step, medical devices are not just machines, they're lifelines. And in the fast-moving world of healthcare, the trust can mean the difference between life and death. Regina, Traceability TV.
With growing concerns over food security, sustainability, and the global demand for transparency, the integration of traceable data and standardized practices is transforming farming methods worldwide. Our reporter takes a closer look at how this data-driven approach is shaping the future of agriculture from farm to table.
The future of farming is increasingly tied to data, as technology allows farmers to collect real-time information on everything from soil health to crop performance. By leveraging sensors, satellite imagery, and IoT devices, farmers can make more informed decisions, optimizing resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. This data-driven approach not only boosts efficiency, but also helps reduce the environmental footprint of farming, creating a more sustainable model for food production. Furthermore, as sustainability becomes a priority for both producers and consumers, traceable data is key in achieving long-term environmental goals. By tracking the impact of farming practices on ecosystems, businesses can adjust their methods to reduce waste and carbon emissions. This transparent approach not only benefits the environment, but also helps farmers meet regulatory requirements and consumer demand for ethically produced food, ultimately fostering a more resilient and responsible agribusiness industry. Rinta Luther, Traceability TV.
As plastic pollution continues to plague our environment, there's a growing attention on the role traceable packaging can play in creating a more sustainable future. With the increasing demand for transparency and accountability in waste management, the promise of traceable packaging offers hope in the fight against plastic pollution. Our reporter takes a closer look at how this innovative solution could transform industries and contribute to a greener planet.
Plastic waste has become one of the most pressing environmental challenges, but traceable packaging may hold the key to addressing this crisis. With traceability systems in place, companies can track the life cycle of their packaging from production to disposal, ensuring that materials are used responsibly and recycled efficiently. This technology allows for greater accountability as it provides a clear record of where plastic is coming from and where it's going. One of the most significant benefits of traceable packaging is its ability to encourage companies to adopt more sustainable practices. By tracking packaging waste, businesses can identify areas of improvement, such as reducing unnecessary plastic usage or opting for more recyclable alternatives. This not only helps minimize plastic pollution, but also aligns companies with growing consumer demand for environmentally friendly products and practices. Moreover, traceable packaging opens the door for better waste management and recycling efforts. With a clear record of where packaging ends up, recycling programs can be more targeted and efficient, ensuring that plastic waste is properly processed and repurposed. This system also empowers consumers, providing them with the knowledge and tools to make more sustainable choices, ultimately creating a more circular economy that benefits both businesses and the environment. Ronald Reagan, Traceability TV.
We're now taking a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more news updates after the break.
Welcome to Traceability TV, your ultimate destination for all things traceability. We're the global platform that brings you the latest in traceability news, interviews, and live event coverage. From in-depth news updates to exclusive interviews, Traceability TV keeps you informed on the practices that are transforming industries worldwide. Our mission is simple: empowering organizations to achieve transparency, accountability, and sustainability throughout their supply chains. Our vision: a world where every product's journey is visible, ethical, and sustainable. At Traceability TV, we offer unparalleled opportunities for brand visibility. Feature your company, highlight your traceability solutions, and showcase your commitment to GS1 standards. Leverage our expertise to create high-quality advertisement videos that resonate with your audience, or sponsor a segment to position your brand as a leader in the traceability space. You can support us by partnering on special projects. Your contributions help us deliver more in-depth analyses and expand our global coverage. Traceability TV is more than just a channel, it's a movement. Join us in building a future where every product's journey is visible and trusted. Traceability TV. We trace it, you trust it.
As the demand for diamonds and other gemstones continues to rise, it's becoming increasingly important to differentiate between naturally sourced and synthetic stones. Our reporter dives into the secret codes embedded in these precious gems, revealing how traceability ensures authenticity in an industry often clouded by uncertainty.
In today's gem industry, the question of authenticity is more important than ever. To distinguish between natural and lab-grown stones, traceability systems have been implemented to ensure that each gem's origin is verifiable. By using advanced technologies like blockchain and unique identifiers, the entire journey of a gemstone can be tracked from mine to marketplace or from laboratory to jewelry box. This gives consumers the confidence that they are purchasing a stone with a proven background. For lab-grown diamonds and gemstones, traceability is equally critical. Although these stones are chemically identical to their natural counterparts, their creation process is vastly different. Manufacturers use traceability codes to certify that a stone was produced in a controlled, ethical environment. This transparency is especially important in a market where consumers are increasingly concerned about sustainability and ethical sourcing practices. In addition to proving authenticity, traceable codes can also help protect against fraud and ensure ethical practices in the gem industry. With access to a stone's history, consumers can make informed choices, knowing whether a gem was mined responsibly or grown sustainably. As technology continues to advance, the gem industry is moving towards a future where every sparkling stone carries its own verified story, offering peace of mind for buyers and helping to ensure a more transparent market. Rinta Luther, Traceability TV.
Welcome to Traceability Sports News. I'm your host, Rikan Kitau. Starting off on the journey through the remarkable history of one of the world's most cherished sports, golf. From its early beginnings to the modern icons who have defined the game, golf's story is one of tradition, skill, and unforgettable moments. Our reporter takes us through the sport's legendary path and its lasting impact on generations of players.
Golf's origin can be traced back to the 15th century in Scotland, where the game evolved from earlier versions of stick and balls. The first formalized rules were created in 1744, setting the foundation for what will become one of the most popular sports worldwide. As golf spread across the globe, its accessibility grew and it quickly became a sport of both recreation and competition. Over the centuries, the game has seen a blend of old world tradition and modern innovation, making it the timeless sport we know today. As golf continues to grow and evolve, its legacy is carried forward by modern-day legends such as Tiger Woods and Rory McIlroy, whose talents and dedication inspire a new generation of golfers. Today, the game remains a symbol of both personal achievement and competitive excellence, offering a space where tradition meets innovation. From its storied past to the future of the game, golf's rich history of legends continues to inspire players around the world, ensuring the sport's timeless appeal. Regis Regina, Traceability TV.
Do you know where your food comes from? That steaming plate of pilau on your table. It looks delicious, doesn't it? But have you ever wondered, where did the rice come from? Was the meat inspected? Was the cooking oil safe or recycled? And do you know if the spices were even grown in Kenya, or maybe they were smuggled and sprayed with chemicals? In Kenya, our food tells our story. But what if we've lost the pages? When counterfeits flood our markets, when farmers go unrecognized, when records are lost, how do we protect what we eat? Traceability is not just about labels. It's about life. It's about trust. It's about knowing. Knowing that the milk you poured this morning is clean. That the skooma you bought is from a safe, traceable farm. That your family is not just eating, but eating right. This is the story we must tell. This is the truth we must follow. Tracing the bite, uncovering the journey of food from farm to fork. starting this Sunday every week for the next 3 weeks, only on Traceability TV, because what you don't know might already be on your plate.